What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It tells us what kind, how many, or which one. Here are some easy examples: a big house, a happy child, a red apple, two books, a good. Some of the adjectives here is big, happy, red, two, and good. These are all adjectives because they describe something. So where do adjectives go? They go before the noun. For example, a small dog or a big car. And so adjectives, it can also be after am, is, and so now I want you to make a sentence about any animal, add some adjectives, and make it descriptive. Write it down in the comments.